Welcome to Draw at Home with Tupperberry Art. I'm Kimberly, ready to draw some fun Valentine's hearts with you. Today we're going to draw a big heart hugging the small heart. So let's get started. First thing we're going to do is draw the big heart. So once you have that with enough room on your page, then you'll draw the little heart right beside it. It's like the mommy or daddy and the baby beside it. Notice the lines overlap, which means I have to erase the lines I don't need. Watch over here in the top left corner. I'm going to draw a short little diagonal angle out to the side, and everything is going to go off towards the right. So I'm going to move that all the way down to the bottom of the heart. Now you want to connect those lines, so you're making that second line, the side of it, the same curvature to the line beside it. Bringing that line all the way down. Now we've added a second side. Moving on to the little heart, repeat the same thing you just did on the big heart. And if you find that too hard, just think of it as adding a really thick line on the right side of the hearts. Once again, just erase the lines you don't need so they look like two separate hearts. Time to add some eyes. Draw one oval and then your second oval, and inside those you're going to draw your second circle, and then the last is your third circle, which is your white spot. So when you fill that in, you leave that smallest circle white. If you like, you can throw on some little eyelashes at the bottom of the eye. 1, 2, 3 little lines coming out. 2 quick lines for eyebrows, and now the little heart. 2 ovals, this time slightly tilted, and the circles inside are going to be placed at the top of the eye. So do your second and your third circle, still leaving that spot for the white of the eye when you color it in. Now it looks like the little heart is looking up at the big heart. 2 little hooks will give you a nice easy nose. Now it's time for the mouth. So do a slight little curve. This is the middle, and on the top lip, we'll have a spread out M. The bottom lip, think of it as a U, but those sides of the mouth have to come together. And I added little lines in the corners of the mouth to make it look like it was really smiling. For the little guy, I kept that mouth open with no lips. Time for some arms. So on the left side, I want you to draw a straight line and then almost a circle. Then you've got a smaller little loop for the thumb, and the arm comes back up. Another line up. The second one will come just above the heart's head, and then you're going to draw the hand in the middle of the little circle off to the side. This way, when you draw the circle over top, the little circle for the thumb, it will look like she's giving him a hug. Erase the little lines in between that you don't need, and now draw little heart's hand right underneath, and another one behind. We'll kind of do the same approach for the leg. So one line down, and then another line beside it. But as you can see, I added a little knobby knees. The foot on the big heart is going to be like a heart. Notice that it's not completely flat because I want to give her heels. So watch what I do first here. If you want another kind of breakdown, think of it as this. Draw an oval at the bottom and a curved line by the heel that sits higher. Then you can draw connector lines in between them and fill it all in. Now it's time for the little guy to have some shoes. So the same thing with his legs, you're going to draw a straight little lines down, but they've got to be on the same ground level as the heart. One little rainbow and a line underneath, a flat line underneath will give you the look of a shoe. I'll draw my second line for the leg. I can even put lines on the leg if I want to add some socks, and then 2 little loops to make it look like shoelaces. This is optional, but if you want to add a bow, start with a rounded circle. Also something that I often say looks like a marshmallow. Then add 2 rounded shape triangles on either side. I'll erase the lines I don't need, and inside, if I do 2 little lines that come from the middle square, then it looks like the fabric's folding. And now we're done. We drew these cute little hugging hearts, and just for fun, you can add little hearts around or be creative and add your own background. So now's the time to color. As I color, I just want you to notice the different shades that I have. I actually have a lighter shade pink on anything on the left, and the back side is a dark red, so change up the colors. You'll even see I like to throw in little punches of color on the side of my hearts. Thank you for doing a drawing video with me at Tupperberry.com. If you like this video, remember to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and come back and do another drawing video with me. And have a happy Valentine's Day.